Okay, we have to find the value of x, right? Here what the you can see this is a isosceles triangle. That means AOB is a isosceles triangle. Why? OB and OA equal because these are radius of same circle, right? OB and OA radius of same circle. So that's why this must be, that means OB must be equal to OA. These two equal, right? Now we know if we have isosceles triangle, what the equal side, opposite angle of that equal side are equal. That means now this one opposite angle, this no 24, this one opposite angle, right? If you think like this way, this is the side we have equal, so this one, right? This is because some can't understand what is the opposite angle, so this one opposite angle is this. Then this one opposite angle OB opposite angle is like this. If you thought this one, right? That means these two equal, right? Try to understand these two OB and OA equal, opposite angle of that two. That means this side opposite angle this one, this side opposite angle is this one. That means these two equal. If this is 24, this also must be 24. Okay, first of all I can mark that is 24. Okay, then we have learned another theorem, but this is radius OA, radius, and they tell now this AC is the tangent. Radius and tangent, between radius and tangent we have always 90-degree angle, right? If I mark like this way, right, bigger, this is 90. That means this radius and tangent, between radius and the tangent we have 90-degree. Okay, now how we can get this angle x? Very simple. Now this is 90, no, basically this is 90. From 90 subtract 24, then you can get x. So I can write x equal what the 90 minus 24, right? So here answer will be what the 8 minus 2, 66 degree. That's the thing. X equal 66 degree.